multiply the fractions. So these are algebraic fractions. And so to multiply them, we're going to want to factor everything. So that includes these 2's here. You can factor out a 2, so there it is. And you're left with x squared minus 1 from that term. This trinomial factors over here as this. This trinomial over here factors as these. And this trinomial factors like this. Then, and notice that these equal signs are lined up because this is an expression and we're lining up the equal signs on the left. Now we're going to take one more step and factor out x squared minus 1, which is the difference of two squares. So that factors out x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now we're ready to cancel. Before we multiply, we reduce everything. So notice that the x minus 1 cancels out with the x minus 1 to give you a 1. But also the x plus 3 and this x plus 3, because multiplication is commutative, which means I could have moved this x plus 3 over here next to that 2 and cancel it straight down with x plus 3, but we know that, so we don't have to do that. We're just going to cancel it out, numerator to denominator. And then I see an x plus 1, an x plus 1. I don't see anything else that can be canceled. So we write equals 2 times x plus 5 over x minus 4, which they could also have 2x plus 10 over x minus 4. Now, notice something here. The original fractions, I'm looking at this step right here, these original fractions are undefined at x equals negative 3, x equals 1, x equals 4, and x equals negative 1. So this expression is undefined at x equals negative 3, 1, 4, and negative 1. This expression is only undefined at 4. So how can they be equal? They're not. You also have to say x is not equal to negative 3, 1, 4, or negative 1. In Algebra 1, you just cancel these out, and you didn't put the restriction, but this is Algebra 2 now. Now we have to think about things like this. So you have to put the restrictions. And again, the reason it is that the original fractions are undefined at certain numbers, but the outcome is defined at those numbers except for the 4. So this quantity here is not equal to this unless you say that x cannot be these numbers here.